Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel ZinoVision. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download, install and play with a Natural Vision evolved version on your FiveM Grand Theft Auto game. So stay tuned, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do this. Before we get started, I just want to inform you this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you find any value in this video, which you will, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started. We also opened up a Discord server recently, so feel free to join as well, especially if you have any support questions. You can open up a support ticket. So Natural Vision plugin is a plugin for your game that makes the beautiful much beautiful. That means that the graphics will be much better, the details, the shadows, everything inside out will be perfect. So we're gonna have to do a few things for that. If you watched my last video, I showed you how to download, install and play with a Natural Vision Remastered version, which was a free version from their own website. Today we're gonna go for the evolved version. That one is a paid version. So let's get started. So again, in my last one, I showed you how to download and install the remastered version. Today we're going to go for the evolved version, which is also still a free beta version. You can download it right here and it will download it right away. So if you're only interested in the Grand Theft Auto version, then you can still follow the tutorial from here after you download it. Hit download, it will go and download the file. We're going to go for a paid version. That's the Patreon. I don't know if I spelled this correctly, but I will leave the links in the description on my Discord. Don't forget to join them. So this is my Discord server right here. If you have a support question, you can just open up a ticket and we will help you as soon as possible. At the resources section, we'll have the website of this one. I will add these also. So there it's added. This is the free version. And this is the paid version. We're going to go for the paid version. It's very easy. After you get to this page, it will look different. You can select a payment method. I chose the gold version because that was, I think, the only one for gold and platinum supporters for the downloads. So after you paid, you can actually click on download something. Before that, you can only see what they write. So here you have the packages. Keep in mind, I'm downloading and installing this for the first time. I've already downloaded it. So I download this one and this one for this tutorial. I haven't read these ones yet either. I've also went to their Discord. After you pay for it, it will ask you to link to your Discord. So I linked my Discord right away. And it's that simple. After you click on it, it will download instantly. And yeah, if you go, because this is, they updated frequently, this person. He's pretty cool, pretty awesome. Thank you very much. April 9th. Today is April 12th, so that's 3 days ago. If you go down, 39th of March, 28th of March. So it goes pretty fast every month. Yeah, every month. So we downloaded the files. That's what we're gonna need right here. I already downloaded the paid version. These are the two files that I downloaded right here. We're gonna start with the single player package. We're gonna right click on it and we're gonna extract all. And it's a large files, by the way, folks. It's both like 7 gigabytes. So that's I think it's awesome. That means there's some good graphics in there. Just gonna let it load up. In the meanwhile here, make sure you open up your downloads folder, the website, and as you can see, the FiveM application folder. How you can get here, I'm going to show you right now. Search FiveM, right click, open file location. Then you will get to your FiveM. You'll just do right click again and open file location again, and then you will be redirected here. Then you'll double click on here, and this is the menu we are in right here. The folder is done. Yes. We're going to open it up, and here we have part 1 and part 2. So I'm just going to open up the readme file just to be clear that I don't make mistakes. You need OpenIV for it. In my last video, I showed you how to download it. where to download it, because the website's offline right now, just go here on my resources page on my Discord, and you can open this link and you can download and install it. It's very easy. If you don't know how to do it, just watch my previous video. After you've done that, open it up. The first time, do it with right click, run as administrator from the search bar. Open it, give it the privileges, close it again, open it up again, and you'll get this menu right here. Hit Windows. It's very easy. Okay, maybe I'm talking too fast, but just run as administrator, open it up, give the set the privileges, and hit done. Close it and open it again. Then here you'll have maybe a yellow bar. Just hit on tools, ASI manager, and this is all green, which you will be probably the blue if it's the first time. Just install. It will ask you to create a mods folder. You press yes. It's that easy. Now we can close it back down. The next step, yeah, it's just part 1, part 2. So let's start with part 1. Just double click on it. This step is optional. Research. Okay, we're not going to do the optional for today. And yeah, you have some settings. I think Shift Enter will give you some settings. Oh, did I do part 2? Yeah, I did part 2. Sorry about that. Everyone must be laughing right now. Shit. Okay. So you also have an uninstaller here. I just read. Okay, let's hit install. Install in mods folder. Confirm. What else? You have all these things that you can optionally add-ons that you can install. After the part 2, you can just go ahead and install it. If you don't want it anymore, you can uninstall it. It's that easy, just like I'm doing this right here. So everything you see here is also in the free version, I think, most of it, but not the FiveM version. You need to pay for it. So here, part 1 is done. Let's close it down. Let's go over the unbelievable. I just did part 1 again. This is a good moment for y'all to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Okay. What else is important? Yeah, you can install any of these. Mods folder, install in mods folder, confirm installation. The reshades is a possibility. Let's just see, what does it say? Step 5, reshade, copy all the files and paste them in your Grand Theft Auto folder. Part 2 is also installed. So copy all the files from inside and paste them in your Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. Let's just do that just because we can. We'll go here, games. I have multiple, don't worry about that. Here, just select them and drag and drop them right here. And there you go. So if you want those deleted, you need to select them and delete them. Okay, we're done here. So after this, it's actually done. You can start up Grand Theft Auto now and you can play with it. If you want these also, I recommend, yeah, these are pretty cool. I recommend you playing with them, but now you can start it up. If you don't like it, you can do just uninstaller. The uninstaller is right here and it will uninstall everything, but the optionals you need to also uninstall yourself. Like, not this one was a bad example. Uninstall. Okay, so that's it. Now we're gonna go over to the FiveM version. By the way, I'm not even gonna test the Grand Theft Auto single player version. I know it works. Camera is pretty blur, by the way. That's okay. Let's let it load up. Okay, it's loaded up. Oh shit. Stay away from smoking. It's loaded up. FiveM package. And then we have the main package. I've also read here a bit. What you can do is just select these 2 files and drag and drop. Oh, I already have a mod folder. And Yeah, just select these two folders and drag and drop them right here. And it will copy it. As you can see, it's all added with the previous file. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is yeah, we've copied this. Go back. Optional. Yeah, we have the optional left. And the reshades, we already done that. Step 5, it's just the same. Optional add-ons. What do we want? I want brighter emergency lights. Low, medium. Do they have examples? No, they don't have examples. We just copy it in here. Let's do... let's go for high. What else can we do? Damn, it's a lot. What is this? I think for now, motion blur is something I'm not gonna do. For votes. I don't know what this is. Let's just try it. That's 2 gigabytes. Damn. Extra vegetation. I don't know. Weather. Override. Let's see. Deep weather. So. Okay, let's just keep it like this. High quality reflections. Did I do this one? This one. I think that's about it. Let's just test this out. So what's this? I'm gonna do Mission Road this one also, just to check it out. Yeah, let's end it by here and let's start up Grand Theft Auto 5M. I'm very curious if it's working and if it's cool. So let's load it up, and I'm gonna play in the California roleplay server. That's gonna be the Cali RP server. This is the server I play almost daily. If you're interested, join my Discord and I will guide you through on becoming an officer or anything else. Yeah, maybe we can play together or even partner up, because I am looking for partners. Yeah, let's load it up. In the meanwhile, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. I hope I am doing the explanation good. If not, please leave me some feedback. Yes, it is downloading some files, as you can see. So let's turn this one off. Yeah. Let's load it up in my OBS studio. So usually I record with 60 frames per second. Today it's going to be only 30 because I'm having some issues with OBS studio. But yes, at 50%. Okay, everyone. Grand Theft Auto is started up. FiveM, just look around you. Damn, look at that vehicle. Details. Sky. It's amazing. It's amazing. Let's hop into a vehicle. Oh. So yeah, I'm playing on the Cali RP server. It's going to be the California roleplay server. If you're looking for a good RP server, then this is the place to be. Let's take this one. Okay. Damn. It's all shiny. I gotta say, folks, it looks amazing. Just look around you. Damn. I love it. The only thing that I would love to add is something with the roads, but no, the details are already perfect. See. Damn. It is beautiful. Sky, sun. Yeah, folks, this is it. I showed you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can install Natural Vision Evolved. This was the paid version. So if you want this one, you have to subscribe. They also, again, they have the free version for the single player mode. So that's going to be the Grand Theft Auto version, which we also installed. But if you want the FiveM like I'm playing right now, or any other RP, you need to pay up. So that's it was like €12. Yeah, damn, it's beautiful. Okay, everyone, that's about it. Let me know what you think about it. Please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to leave some feedback, and goodbye.